Hi everyone. Uh, I hope that you are fine. Happy Sunday. May you have a very good night. Let us start lecture number 7 of the Spanish language. Objection. In Spanish, we say objection. Okay. The spellings of objection are Objección. Objection. Breakfast is called dice uno. Dice uno. In Spanish, the breakfast is called dice uno. Decasyuno. Sorry, uno. Desyuno. Dice uno. Dice uno. Dice uno. Dice uno. D. Dice uno. Desyuno. A lot. A lot is called mucho. Mucho in Spanish. Mucho. 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 A lot, mucho, right? Ask. Ask is called pedir. Pedir in Spanish. Pedir are spellings of pedir. Intelligent. Intelligent is called intelligente. Intelligent is called intelligente in Spanish. The spellings of intelligente are Intelligente. Gente. Intelligente. Intelligente. Intelligent. Intelligente. Correct? Dull. If there is a male, we say Abu Rida. Sorry, Aburrido. Aburrido. If there is a male, uh, then dull will be pronounced as aburrido. And if there is a female, she will be pronounced as Abu Ruda. The spellings of Abu Rudo are Abu Rrido. The spellings of Abu Rada are Aburrida. Abu Rado, Abu Rada. This is very difficult word. Dog. Dog is an animal. Dog is called pera in Spanish. Pera. P-E-R-R-A. P-E-R-R-A. Pera. Dog, pera. Dog, pera. Cat is called gata. Gata. G-A-T-A. G-A-T-A. Gata. Okay? Gata. Big is called grande. In Spanish, big is called grande. 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 Pretty is called bonito. Bonito in Spanish. Bonito. 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 Pretty. Bonito. Pretty. Bonito. Okay. Politics is called politica. 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 Politica and politics are quite similar words. Not very difficult for English speakers. Dirty is, if there's a female, she will be called sucia. 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 If there is a male, then he will be called sucio. 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 Sucia. Sucio. Okay. Sucia. Sucio. Sucia. Sucio. Scientific is called scientifica. If there is a female, then we will call we will call scientifica in Spanish. The spellings of scientifica are CIEN, sign, TI, scienti, FICA, scientifica. If there's a male, then he will be called scientifico, CIEN, sign, TI, FICO. Supper. Okay, supper, you know that there's a food which is eaten by people. Supper is called cena. Cena, 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 cena. Supper, cena. Supper, cena. The spellings of supper in English are SUPPER. Supper in the spellings of cena are CENA, CENA, CENA. Batter is called major. Batter is called major in Spanish. MEG MEJOR, MEJOR. Good is called Buna. If there's a female, then Buna. If there's a male, then Buno. Buna. The spellings of Buna are BEBUENA. Buna. The spellings of Buno are BUENO. Buno. Buno. Buna. Buno. Buna. Buno. Decent. Decent is called decente in Spanish. The spellings of decente are DECENTE. Decente, decente, decent, decente. Bra. Bra is called sostan. Sostan. Sostan in Spanish. SOSTEN. SOSTEN. Sostan. Bra, which is worn by women, men, transgenders, or non-binary, and any gender can wear bra. And some people may not prefer to wear bra. So bra is called sostan in Spanish. SOS, sos, TEN. SOS, sos, TEN, tan. Sostan, sostan. Disease is called infirmidad. It's a very difficult word. Infirmidad. Disease is called infirmidad. ENFER, infer, MEDAD. Infirmidad. ENFER, infer, MEDAD. Infirmidad. Mental. Mental is also called mental in Spanish. MENTAL. Same translation and same spellings. Time. Time is called tiempo in Spanish. TIEMPO. 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 Time. Tiempo. 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 Free is called gratius in Spanish. GRATIS are spellings of gratius. GRATIS are spellings of gratius. Travel. Travel is called viajar. Viajar in Spanish. VIAJAR. 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 Time, viajar. Sorry, travel, viajar. Time, tiempo. Free, gratis. Gratis. Travel, viajar. Travel, just remember. Travel, viajar. Viajar. You may remember this word by jar, okay? Jar is an equipment used for people to store their food. Or I think jar is also used for storing water, but I'm not sure. 20. 20 is called veinte. Veinte in Spanish. Viente. Veinte. 20. Veinte. 20. Veinte. Number. Numero. The translation of number is numero in Spanish. Numero. 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 Call. Call is called ilamar. Ilamar. L Ilamar. 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 See you later is called hasta luego in Spanish. Hasta luego. Hasta, hasta, space, and then another word will be started, and which is luego. Luego. Hasta luego, right? See you soon. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. Hasta, hasta, space, and then another word starts. And the spellings of pronto are Pronto. So I conclude today's lecture. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that you have gotten some knowledge about Spanish language. Bye bye.